Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning class of DAV Moyle Public School, subject Mathematics. I am your mathematics teacher Varun Chauhan. Today I am going to take your session on visualizing solid shapes. In today's topic, we cover the contents, that is nets of solid shapes, views of three-dimensional shapes and polyhedrons. So, dear students, nets of solid shape is the flat surface of every faces of solid shape which we glued together and folded to make a three-dimensional shape. Nets are used for making 3D shapes. Here are some examples of three-dimensional shape and its net. So let's see these examples. So the first net of solid shape is cuboid. Cuboid is a solid shape which having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Let's see the given figure. Using the given figure, you properly understand the nets of cuboid. The another example of nets of solid is pyramid. Pyramid can be any polygon which is having 5 faces, 8 edges and 5 vertices. Its base is spherical and it joined with 4 triangular faces which connected with its edges. Look at the figure. There is a 5 faces in its net. Let's see the another example of solid and its net. This is prism which having 2 identical ends. If we cut that prism, then also we get the similar shape as its previous one. Here is an example of prism, that is hexagonal prism, triangular prism. Here we can easily understand its net, which having 3D triangular prisms can be folded to create a flat 2D shape. The net of the prism. Dear students, we can observe any object through different views. Similarly, solid also having different views like top view, front view, side view. So let's see some examples of solid which having these 3 views. Suppose there is a military tent which having front view, top view and one spherical side view. Another example is table. Its top looks like rectangular, front view and side view. So there are many more examples which having these views. Now we see today's last topic, that is polyhedron. Polyhedron means the word poly, which we know very well. Poly means many and hedron means surfaces. So the three-dimensional shape which we make by joining many flat surfaces. So the examples of polyhedrons are prism, pyramid and many more shapes which make after joining its flat surfaces. So there are some examples of let's see the figure. So students, for more practice, you will note down this assignment and solve in your mathematics copy. I hope you enjoyed today's session and understood all the topics which we covered in today's class. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.